how to withdraw affiliate earnings in Whop. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can withdraw your affiliate earnings in Whop. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open your browser and type Whop in the search bar. After that, you will see options like Become an Affiliate, Start Selling, Blog, Hop, and your profile. Then go to your account settings. In the account settings, you will find sections like General, Connected Accounts, Security, Payment Info, Balance, Billing History, and Resolution Center. Now, over here, click on Balance and then tap on Set up withdrawals. After that, choose the country where your bank is located. Then fill in your bank account details. Once you complete this step, connect your account with Stripe by providing your email and mobile number. Then fill out the required bank information. After everything is set up, you can withdraw your affiliate earnings in Whop. So that's how you can withdraw affiliate earnings in Whop. That's all for this video.